Hello guys, welcome to C4C Code for Change. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to see about the joints. Okay, the first one is a simple joint or inner joint or natural or equijoint. Okay, it is used to join two tables based on equal condition. Okay, select star from EMP where emp.dept number is equals to dept. Oh, first, what is meant by join means if you want to display records from more than one table at a time, then we use joins. Okay, if you want to display more than one record at a time from the more records from more than one table at a time, then we use the join. The first one is simple joint. We more call it as inner join or equally joined. Okay, this is the syntax. See, let us see here what will happen here. The first one is select star from emp. See here, this is the first table and the number of columns are emp, ename, job, manager, hire date, sal, commission, department. Next I am going to use another table called select star from dept. Here only 3 columns are present. Now I want to bring all these columns in one query. What I will use, see here, select star from emp comma dept, sorry, emp comma dept where emp dot dept number is equals to dept dot dept number. See here, in emp table we have dept number column. Same here also in dept table we have dept number. So this is our, we are doing suffix. So we are telling that this dept number column from emp table, this dept number column from dept table. See what will happen here. So up to this column, this is emp table. Before that all emp table. Next after this is the dept table. Okay, this is called equijoint or inner joint. The next one is in outer joint. In outer joint, the first one is the left outer joint. Okay, it is used to display the full details of the left side table and match records of the right side table. Okay, what it is, I will show it here. Select star from emp comma dept where emp dot dept number is equals to dept dot dept number. See, for left outer joint we will give plus on the right side. See here, I will show some image for the usefulness. So the first one, this is the let us consider this is one, this left hand side is called emp table and the right hand one is called dept table. Okay, the first record is matched, so this is inner joint. The first record is matched, so it is displayed here. The first record is matched. See here, second one is orange color. There is no orange color on the right side, so it is not displayed here. So the third one is pink color. So if it is on the right side table also, it one is displayed. So here last one is green record. So if it is on the right side table also, then this green record will be displayed. So this is called inner joint. See, next one is left joint. See, in the left joint, all the records from the left side of the table are displayed. See here, blue, orange, pink and green. See, this all the records are displayed here. But whatever the matched records with the left side of the table, only those records from the right side of the table are displayed here. Here blue is present on the left side, so it is displayed. Pink is present here, so it is displayed. Green is present here, so it is displayed. Gray is not present on the left side of the table, but it is present on the right side of the table, so this is not displayed in the left join. Okay, but orange is present on the left table, but it is not on the right table, so it is also displayed here because it is left join. So here in the right join, all the records from the right table are displayed, but the matched conditions from the left table with the right table are displayed. See here, all the records from the right table. See, all the records are displayed here, but orange is not present in the right side of the table, right table, so it is not there here. Next, full join means all the records from both the table are displayed here. Okay. So here EMP is in this here EMP is left table and DEPT is right table. So all the conditions. So 14 records are displayed. See here, there is no gap. You can find it in the right join. Select star from EMP comma DEPT where EMP dot DEPT number. I am using right join, so plus sign is on the left side. DEPT dot DEPT number. See here, all the records on the right side are displayed, but left join here. See here, there is a one record with 40 department number in DEPT table, but there is no department number in the EMP table with 40. So this entire record is null. Okay, this is called right outer join. Next, full join means select star from EMP comma DEPT where see, this is the syntax. Additional operator. Okay, otherwise you can use it like this. Select star from EMP comma DEPT where EMP dot DEPT number is equals to DEPT dot DEPT number. Here we are using left join, and now union. We will copy this. Control DEPT number. Okay. Control C. Control V. See, we will copy it here. Now we will give plus sign here. See, now we are both combining left and right outer join. Wait a minute, I will check it here. Okay, DEPT number, this one. Okay, see here, all the records are displayed. Total 15 records will be there. Okay, next one is, see, this is the syntax. The next one is self join. It is used to join the table itself. Okay, this is the syntax. See here, I have given EMP name emp table I have given e1 as name. So this is also same emp table, but I have given e2 as name. This is called alias name. Okay, see here I have given emp.dept table. Suppose there is bit table name, so if I give this one as e, and here I will change it to e. So that one is very simple. So I have given here I don't want to give emp always, so I have given e1 and e2. See here, up to department number, this is one emp table, and here from here to there, this is another emp table. So it will join to itself. Okay, next one is cross join. This will give all the cross product. So I will show that in a bit. Sorry guys, see here, this is called cross join. So first one will blue. See, first to blue, this is also blue. First blue, next it will get red record. First blue, next it will get a green record. First blue, next it will get gray record. See here, blue, 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 red, blue, green, blue, gray. So same wise for the orange record, these 4 records will come. So here this is orange record. See here, then the same 4 records will come. So 4 4s are 16 records. Totally 16 records will come. Here select star from emp comma dept. See here, total first emp has 14 records and dept has 4 records. 14 into 4 is equals to 56 records. Okay. Okay, what are interview questions are, what is the join? Oh, okay, as I said previously, when we want to display records from more than one table, then we use joins. How many types of joins? Okay, inner joint, left joint, right joint, full joint, cross joint, and self joint. Okay, what is self joint and why is it required? Okay, whenever there is, so why it is required means it is basically used when there is a relational between rows stored in the same table. Okay, that is when there is a scenario in which the self join use. Thank you guys for watching my videos. In the next video we will discuss about synonyms and views.